Hello everyone and welcome to this session on the family Caparidaceae, commonly known as the caper family. Plants of Caparidaceae show beautiful floral structures and great diversity. This family is found mainly in tropical and subtropical regions. The members are mostly shrubs, small trees, or herbs, often recognized by their strong mustard like smell due to the presence of glucosinolates, the same compound found in mustard family. Many members of this family have medicinal importance. Join me to explore the systematic position, affinities, distinguishing characters, and plants of economic importance of this family, along with the technical description of Cleome gynandra and Cleome viscosa at the end. The family name Caparaceae is the currently accepted and conserved spelling under the International Code of Nomenclature for algae, fungi, and plants to ensure nomenclatural stability. The spelling Caparidaceae is an older, orthographically different form of the same name and is considered a synonym or an orthographic variant of Caparaceae. Caparidaceae was derived from the type genus Caparis, which would naturally lead to the family name Caparidaceae. However, the ICN permits the conservation of names that deviate from the strict classical Latin or Greek derivations, and Caparidaceae was the chosen as the conserved name. In modern botanical literature and authoritative classification systems like APG system and resources like Plants of the World Online, Caparaceae is the standard and correct name for the caper family. Bentham and Hooker included this family under the class Dicotyledonnae, subclass Polypetalae, series Thalamiflorae, on order Parieteals. They placed this family along with Papaveraceae and Brassicaceae in Parieteals based on parietal placentation, polypetalous and hypogynous flowers. They recognized a close relationship with the Brassicaceae due to similar floral plan-like presence of four sepals and four petals, but separated it because Caparidaceae have many stamens and petals are not cruciform. Engler and Plantel placed this family under the class Dicotyledonnae, subclass Orchiclamidae, and order Rheodales. They included Caparidaceae along with Brassicaceae and Papaveraceae under these Rheodales, based on parietal placentation, bisexual and actinomorphic flowers, and also the presence of glucosinolates. They considered Caparidaceae as more advanced than the Brassicaceae because of increased stamen number and presence of gynophore, thus maintained a close evolutionary link between the Brassicaceae and Caparidaceae. APG4 included this family under the clade Eudicots and order Brassicales. The DNA sequencing showed that the traditional Caparidaceae is not monophyletic. Many genera like Cleome are genetically closer to Brassicaceae, leading to reclassification. Cleome and its allies are now placed in Cleomaceae as a separate family. The core Caparis group remains as the Caparaceae. Now the distinguishing characters of the family Caparaceae. The family includes a wide range of habits like herbs, shrubs, and small trees. The members of the family produce glucosinolate compound which give them a pungent flavor. The leaves are petiolate, simple or palmately compound. Alternate stipules are absent. If present, they are spiny. The inflorescence is raceme, corymb, or solitary flowers in axils. The flowers are tetramerous, actinomorphic to slightly zygomorphic, bracteate, complete, bisexual, and hypogynous. The sepals are four, free or slightly united in two whorls. Petals are four, free, usually clawed, sometimes unequal in size. The stamens usually six or many, that is polyandrous, inserted on a gynophore, a stalk elevating the ovary. Filaments are long and slender, unicorpulary, unilocular superior ovary. Ovary is borne on a gynophore. The style is short or absent. The stigma is simple, placentation is parietal. In Cleome gynandra, both androphore and gynophores are present, whereas in Caparis there is only gynophore. The fruits varies from berry to drupe or capsule. The seeds are many, often kidney-shaped with mucilaginous testa. They are the plants of economic importance. Caparis spinosa, commonly called as caper bush, used in traditional medicine as a stimulant, diuretic, and carminative. Roots and bark are used to treat liver disorders and spleen enlargement. The flower buds and the fruits have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial properties. Caparis decidua, a drought-tolerant, much-branched thorny shrub or a small tree. The different parts of the plant have been used to treat a wide range of ailments, treating stomach problems, constipation, and intestinal worms. Applied to reduce swellings, boils, and also used for arthritis. Helps to manage cough and asthma. Caparis xylanica, commonly called as the Indian caper, a thorny climbing shrub. In Ayurveda medicine, it is classified as Rasayana, herb used to treat immune disorders and to reduce oxidative stress. The root bark is used to treat cholera, stomach issues, and swellings. The leaves are applied as a counter irritant for boils, swellings, and headache. The juice is mixed with pepper, is used for dysentery, while the preparation with the goat milk treats cough and cold. The bark is used for treating cholera and indigestion. Caparis separia, a woody climbing shrub and recognizable by its thorny branches and small black one-seeded berries. Various parts of the plant are used in traditional medicine systems, used as a blood purifier and applied to manage the conditions like eczema, boils, psoriasis, etc. It is also used as a stomachache tonic and appetizer. Possesses anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. Used to treat edema, gout, and muscular problems. Used for asthma, cold, fever, and also jaundice. Creteva religiosa, a sacred burna or a spider tree, also called as the temple tree, which is a creamy white with long purple stamens and is trifoliate leaves. The bark and leaves and roots being used to treat urinary issues like kidney and bladder stones. The juice from the root or the stem bark is used to stimulate appetite and as a digestive aid. The Caparis grandis, also called as the tree caper or the large creeper, it is recognized for its large white flowers with numerous stamens and round fruits, and it has traditional medicinal uses, particularly for skin conditions and anemia. The fresh leaves are sometimes cooked into soup, and leaves and fruit pulp can be applied to the insect bites. Cleome gynandra, commonly called as African spider flower, is an erect annual strong branched herb. Various parts of the plant are used in traditional medicine to treat the variety of ailments like inflammation, joint pain, stomachache, constipation, fever, headache, and also to treat the boils to prevent pus formation. Cleum viscosa, commonly called the Asian spider flower, is an annual erect and sticky herb. It is often found as a common weed in disturbed areas, cultivated fields, and along roadsides. The various parts of the plant are widely used in traditional medicine systems to treat the variety of ailments. It is believed to have antiemetic or deworming, carminative, antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and wound healing properties. The leaf juice is used to relieve earache. The seed oil yields oil for the lamps. The field characters for the identification of the family Caparaceae. The presence of mustard-like odor due to glucosinolates. The leaves may be simple or palmately compound. Sepals 4, petals 4 plus 4, stamens 6 to many, and the presence of androphore or gynophore or gynandrophore.